Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify mortgage rates using Zillow Home Loans. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the search bar, type in Zillow Home Loans and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the mortgage tab located on the top menu. Click on the mortgage tab to navigate to the mortgage section. You will see various options related to mortgages. Look for View Rates or Get Pre-Qualified and click on that option. A new page will load displaying mortgage rates based on your location. Enter your zip code in the designated field to get localized mortgage information. Next, select the type of mortgage you're interested in, such as a fixed rate or adjustable rate mortgage. Adjust the loan amount and term according to your needs. After entering your details, click on the View Rates button. The page will refresh with the latest mortgage rates tailored to your inputs. You will see different lenders along with their rates and terms. Take note of the annual percentage rate, APR, for each option. Compare the rates to find the best one that suits your financial situation. If you want to dive deeper, click on any lender's name for more detailed information. This will usually include fees, potential payments, and other important details. Once you're satisfied with your comparison, you can proceed to get quotes or pre-approval. Fill out any required information to receive personalized offers from lenders. Make sure to check for any additional fees or conditions that may apply. Once you have all the information, you can make an informed decision. After completing this process, you will have a clearer understanding of the mortgage rates available to you. Now, you're ready to move forward with your home loan journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.